aim of this project is to have both Almighty Vietnam and Almighty Melbourne monitored in one area, which is the internet, which is like a remote management system for both Almighty Vietnam and Almighty Melbourne. But because we don't have enough resources to implement Almighty Vietnam, that's why it's all shut down and it has red dots in there. And then Almighty Melbourne is active, and then we can use this to gather traffic about all these PCs. From the admin PC, we gather all this traffic in the admin PC, and then we send all this information to the internet, and then this is written on the internet in a MySQL server, and then from here we can block any device over here using the switch, using it to shut down a switch port on the switch from the internet, and I'll show it to you now, like how it's done. So as you can see, we have only five networks over here now, but if I run this script, it will become 6 network. I will run it from Ubuntu clone server.
This is the admin PC, right?
Yeah, this both are admin PC. This admin PC is not monitored 24/7. This admin PC is monitored 24/7.
Okay, there are 2 admin PCs.
Yeah, 2 admin PCs. So one admin PC on Almighty Melbourne, Almighty Vietnam, and then there is one management area that manages both these networks 24/7. Okay, so I'll run this script.
Make it
You run.
bigger so other people can see it.
Okay.
So
Control
you're running
plus.
the script on now on a server.
Not on the server. I'm running this script, which is on like 24/7. The admin
Okay.
PC.
Okay. Yep. So there are 2
Which-
kind of admin PCs. One is with monitor 24/7, another is not monitor 24/7.
Yeah,
So now the script is running on the admin PC, which is monitor 24/7.
which is not monitored.
Which is not monitor. What is the script doing?
So this area, this server over here, it monitors this traffic, and then it sends this information to the internet. And then this person, let's say it's watching 24/7 this area and this area, and then he can block these PCs, and he can do anything he wants by using scripting. So okay, so I ran that script, and now I'm gonna log out from my website. I'm gonna log in again, and then you can see that now we have 6, and before we had only 5. So it means that our script is working. So from here now I'm gonna show you the blocking feature. So Python 3 block.py. So it says that this program should be used by administrator, and this program should be kept in an admin area. Okay, so we have a minor issue which I can fix it quickly. It happens because of GNS3. So I'll run NVZA Cisco, and then I'll fix this problem very quickly. Conf terminal, and then interface VLAN 1, and then shut, and then no shut, and then end, and then let's go here and ping it. Let's see if it's working. So 192.168.5.50. It's working, and now if I run this script again, it should be working. Okay, so we can give a MAC address from here. Let's say we want to block.
Make the screen bigger.
Okay, make the screen bigger.
Enlarge the entire window.
Okay.
Make that bigger. So.
So let's say I want to block one of these PCs. So let's say I want to block PC number 6. So I'll enter its MAC address, which is 0C A5 0
And the Python, what is it, file should tell you what format you should write the MAC address in.
Yeah, this is how you should write. So 0C A5
E3,
E3
0D,
0D
80,
80
0.
01. Okay. Something because of the DHCP, we have to run the DHCP again on the GNS3. So we have to go, let's say, IP DHCP. It's these problems that you are facing. It's all because of GNS3.
So you need to find which port the IP address is configured to.
No, this one we're gonna get like we're gonna get a new IP address from the server.
Okay.
Okay, that PC3 wasn't working. Let me remove this PC because this wasn't working. So I'll remove this one, and then I won't run the script again, but I'll just run the blocking script again because that interface that we ran didn't work properly. So Python 3 block the part. Okay, so this time let's say,
Just reload the page.
okay, so let's say we want to block this one 0050 7966. Let's say we want to block this one C4. So I'll make this bigger. C4 01 dot
0511
05
11
11
000.
So see it gives us the MAC address, so it means that this is live. So we're going to block this PC. So gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Timed out. It's all GNS3.
So that shows that GNS is not a reliable tool.
Yeah, GNS is not a reliable tool. It's all GNS3. It seems like my this interface VLAN 1, it got stuffed up again. That's why it's not connecting. So interface VLAN 1 shut, no shut, and then let's try again. Let's see if it's working. So GNS3.
This time it's VLAN, something else.
So if it did work with the MAC address shut down, that was your final
Yeah. Okay,
goal,
let's-
right?
Yeah, it was to shut down. Let's see if it actually worked. If actually that port is down. So we shut down. See, it's shut down. So gigabit Ethernet 0/1 is administratively down. So it means that we remotely shut down this port. But we got an error. When I did it for the first time, I didn't get an error. So I didn't get that kind of error. And our Python script is not very well written. I need to add more error checking tools and stuff like that. But because we had too many problems and there was timing problem and stuff like that, so I had to do the minimum. But I could have done much better.
Okay, so the ultimate goal is from a remote place
Yeah.
based on your non-preference of a particular PC connecting to a particular port, you can shut it down.
Yeah, yeah,
And yep, got it.
yeah.
That's
and,
all for your outcome, right?
Yeah, and these PCs would be better if you could insert the host name, because then that will come up on the on the internet. It will show up like which PC to shut down and
Instead of
stuff
MAC
like.
address by the host name.
Yeah, yeah, but because we can't put a host name, that's why we cannot shut it down.
Okay. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all. This is our project.
Yeah.